are here finally with the wheels. I know it's been a while, but here we are with the wheels. We got a battery and some gas. So guess what? This thing might actually start rolling today. Stay tuned and find out. Alright, so as you can see here, I got a setup. I got the wheels done. They're ready to be put on. If you haven't guessed already, it is for a Farmall. Farmall Model H, 1944 to be specific. And anyways, I got all new hardware for it. I did keep the square bolt originals. I'd like to keep it original, but because I'm going to be using this thing, I don't want to cheap out on old materials. Granted that it might be still better, but you just never know. So I got those. I got 6 bolts and nuts, and in order to help me with that, I got an original tool wrench or wheel wrench, lug wrench for it, and it uses the smaller side for the bolt head. It doesn't fit quite right, but it'll do its purpose. And this will go on both the front and the rears, and I just tested that out. If there's a tool out there that IH made specifically for the square bolts that just goes over the square bolts, put it in the comment section below. Alright. Then I ended up painting up the clamps as well. Painted them IH red. It's just the cheap Tractor Supply spray paint that I use, and Rust-Oleum primer. And then we'll also be putting on this bar. And this bar did not come with my tractor, but my tractor does have the belt pulley assembly on it. The belt pulley we'll be putting on another day. I forgot to take that with me here today in the barn. So anyways, maybe we'll stick a battery in this thing today and get it going. Alright, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to clean up these hubs just around here where the clamps get clamped onto. The reason why I'm going to do that is because when I had it, or when I took off those wheels, the rims, it just was kind of a battle. I ended up taking out the hub assembly, and I had to beat it. I basically beat it off with a sledge. So anyways, I forgot my legit brush, so I got this little one here that's slowly falling apart. Anyways, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick some grease on here, and hopefully I don't have to do this again, but if I do, it'll be better suited for this kind of application in order Alright, so now we're going to be able to put some grease on here, and hopefully that'll solve this problem next time if I have to take these off. So here we go. As you can see here, I put the grease where the clamps are going to go, and for when the that wheel comes on. And I did that all the way around there too, all the way around on both sides. So yeah, the seals look like they're leaking, but you know, just add more grease and it'll be fine. Alright, here we go. See here, I greased this point, that point, this point, that point, and that point, and that point there. You do see grease there. My mistake. I forgot. It's been a while. So anyways, I did that on both sides, and we are going to put the wheel back on for the correct time, correctly. Here we go.